Good morning, everybody. Today, our topic is tea industry and food processing industry. Okay, so let's start. Here, tea industry in West Bengal. Introduction. Tea, tea is a plantation crop. The tea production districts in West Bengals are Darjeeling, Jalpaiguri, Coach Bihar, and North Dinajpur. Acha. In North Bengal has 450 tea garden in Darjeeling and Tarai Duars region. Here important tea assets are Chinchula Raimangtung tea assets, Kalchini tea assets, Samsing tea asset in Darjeeling. Okay. Here more than 25 lakhs people who depends on tea industry for their livelihood, and 3,50,000 people are regular. Okay, next we discuss what are the causes for the development of tea industry in West Bengal. Here some important pointer like the favorable conditions for the growth of the tea, like the temperature, rainfall, that's are the most favorable conditions for the growth of. Proper temperature and proper rainfall are the main conditions for the growth of tea, okay, in West Bengal. Number 2, the land for the plantations are large, okay, very large. That is very easy for the cultivations or the plantations of the tea. Next, the plantations have the facilities for processing tea through the 6 principal operations. Number 1, withering. Number 2, rolling. Number 3, fermenting. Number 4, roasting. Number 5, blending. Number 6, grading. These are the main 6 operations we go through for the processing of tea. Next, Siliguri Tea Acquisitions, which was established in 1976 for the better marketing facility of the local product, and large number of people, especially women, are always easily available here for the plucking and processing of tea. Kolkata port is always available and provided the port facility. And next, after the enactment of the geographical indications of good in 2003, Darjeeling tea became the first Indian product to receive the GI tag through the Indian Patent Office. Okay, these are the main causes for. Next, our important topic is what are the problems for the tea industry in West Bengal. The problems are many tea gardens are quite old and machines are also old or outdated. Next, lack of fund. Due to the lack of fund, labor also suffer from the low base problem. Okay. The lack of quality and substandard tea are mixed with the Darjeeling tea and marketed. Okay. Next, most of the promotional activities is only for the large assets, not for the small assets. Okay. And climate factor, like sometime the rainfalls are over that time, and rainfalls are over, and the rainfalls are very low, or the temperature or humidity does also affect the tea growth. Okay. And productions of tea is seasonal in nature. It is heavy sometime or the scanty sometime. Due to this, the production's cost is also high. Okay. And another point is Kolkata port is suffering from the over siltations. Next, we discuss the main prospects of tea industry in West Bengal. What are the prospects? Many people are involved directly or indirectly for their occupations with the tea industry. Okay. It is also play a vital role for earning foreign money, and tea board was established in 1954 to implement program for the increasing tea productions, and also they can provide the loan for and giving the facility for acquiring newer machines. Okay, and another point is the Tea Trading Corporations of India, TTCI, established in 1971 for creating a stable market for the export tea, also look after the marketing of tea for domestic consumption and managing tea garden, given fund and support for the growth of tea industry in West Bengal. Okay, these are the main prospects of tea industry in West Bengal. Now we discuss the food processing industry in West Bengal. Food processing industry in West Bengal, food industry is the industry of the agrobase industry, which is involved in transforming raw agricultural product into the more valuable consumer goods for the satisfy human needs or wants. Okay, and here the favorable geographical conditions for the growth of food processing industry are availability of raw material like all the vegetables, fruits, fish, dairy, grains, meat, poultry. Now we discuss what are the causes for the development of food processing industry in West Bengal. Here the many causes are there. Number one, the socio-economic structures of the people of West Bengal have changed, especially in cities area, and high purchasing capacity present opportunity to buy high priced processed food, and the state is connected with nationally or internationally with the other country or state, and where they can connect through the road, rail and railway, so they can easily export these food products. Okay, major agricultural products are produced in the state, so raw materials is easily available. The state government has set up agro export zone in many districts like in Malda, in Murshidabad, North and South Chobbish Pargona, Hooghly, Howrah and Bardhaman. Here in West Bengal, the food parks and the pack house with the cold storage facilities are also provided by the government. These are the main causes for that's why the food. Now here, before move forward, we have to know some important fact about the food processing industry. Number one, India is the world's second largest food processing country. Number two, India is the world's largest producer of milk. Number three, India is the world's second largest fruits and vegetable production country. And number four, India is the world's third largest fish production country. What are the problem of food production industry in West Bengal? The problem are number of lack of technology, number two, high price of finished food products, and poor demand due to the poverty. And majority of the people of West Bengal like to prepare their food in home instead of packed product. Okay, these are the main problem for the food processing industry development in India, in West Bengal. Now, next point is what are the main prospect for the food processing industry in West Bengal? Number one, plenty of raw materials are available now. Labor now is very much lower in comparisons to the other state, and food products are high standard. A good domestic market of food products are there, and West Bengal is densely populated, so demands of the processed foods are here is little high. Okay, so these are the main prospects of food production industry in West Bengal. Thank you.